Hello, in this video I will show you how to rent out a location in a warehouse for an external user. So to start this procedure, I created a company named Logistica & Co. This company owns a warehouse and it's a warehouse company type. So whenever we create a company that is with type warehouse, automatically a warehouse is generated for this certain company. So in order to rent some location in this warehouse, first of all we need to create a user. To create a user, this company should go to settings, users and companies, users, and click on create. Okay, let's name this user James. And the email address will be whatever. Okay. Automatically, the companies, allowed companies, is only Logistica & Co. We can just give this user access to many companies, but now it's an external user, so only this user should see his warehouse, his inventory. Also, we can give him access to all the application. Now we will disregard it and save this user. After that, we need to rent out the allocation. In order to have a location, to rent out a location, we need to set it and set the location in the warehouse. So to create a location in the warehouse, we click on inventory, go to configuration. As I mentioned that the warehouse is automatically generated to this company, we can use it and we can create a new one. The company can have several warehouses. Now I will use the automatic warehouse, the default warehouse. I will click on location. To create a location, click on create. Let's say this location is the parent location is the warehouse name. We can give the specs of this location by the corridor and shelf and height and whatever. And we put all the details I mentioned in an earlier video how to set up a location and a warehouse. I click on save. Now I have a location named Shelf S. Now I need to rent this location. We go to rent location. I click on create and rent location. Okay, which user I need to rent it to? James. Either I click the company or click the user. Shelf S. This is the location name. It's a service type monthly or a yearly. I'll put monthly. And here also we will add the cost of this location. And we will click save. So now that we created a location for James, we will have invoices. We will have an invoice for from Logistica & Co to James, and we will have an invoice from the administrator company, which is you, to Logistica & Co. That is the commission. We click on generate invoice. As you see here, we have 3 invoices. Click on it. Okay. James, this is the amount that he paid for Logistica & Co. And my company, it's the commission for the administrator. As you see, we saw that we have 3 invoices in the earlier step, and now we only see that there are 2. The third invoice is automatically generated by the administration company, that is you, and named here my company, for the Logistica & Co. In order to see it, this is the commission fee. In order to see this fee, this invoice, we should go to the administrator, which is my company. The administrator can see all the invoices and everything. So my company, in order to see it, I need to go to the subscription management. In the subscription management, I go to the latest one, which is James in Logistica & Co. I click it. Here you see have the 2 invoices and a bill. Here it is, all the invoices. Okay, as you see, my company, created an invoice for Logistica & Co. Logistica & Co. created an invoice for James. And Logistica & Co. created a bill because they got an invoice from my company. Okay, so 2 invoices and a bill. This is the invoice of the commission and this is the bill of the commission. Thank you.